Alright, I told y'all that I was gonna video this storm. There you go, there's the lightning. It's raining ice. It might be hail now. See, so there you have it. Lightning was raining ice. Obviously, I'm at Walmart, the Courtyard by Marriott. You know. Get it. But you get the gist, right? Whoa. You know, these 8 pluses are supposed to be like waterproof and all of that stuff. But you know what? I ain't trying to get beat up by the ice and all of that other stuff. But I just wanted to show you, yep. And it calms down just that fast. Stay tuned for more videos. Because, hey, obviously, I ain't got nothing else better to do. Peace, people.